Hello BBC viewers, welcome to 6 o'clock news. My name is Philip.
And I'm Con.
And today we're going to be discussing the Taiga biome.
First in our segment, we have the weather. Out there, buddy.
Thank you, Philip and Con in the studio. It's a little chilly out here. The Taiga biome is found right below the Arctic Circle in the northern areas of the Earth. The Taiga consists of mostly Arctic forests with a wide range of plant and animal life. Usually, the average temp is below freezing. In the winter, it's negative 54 degrees to negative 1 degrees, and 7 degrees to 21 degrees Celsius in the summer. Forms of precipitation include rain, snow, and dew, which can get up to 15 to 20 inches annually. Due to global air currents, it's either hot and humid or cold. Wind speeds can be very high due to Arctic winds in the area. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Chief Meteorologist Buddy. It must be really chilly over there.
Now we have plant life with Todd on the field.
Thanks, Con. Here we have a cranberry shrub, crowberry shrub that produces fruit for the wildlife. It is adapted because it never sheds its leaves, so it's always producing. And right here we have a lichen, which is a type of moss that creates a spongy mat, and mosses thrive in cold and wet climates, which is what the taiga is. And they serve to provide a base in water and on the floor of the forest. Here we have a tsuga, or a hemlock tree. As you can see, it's huge. The leaves stay green all year, and the branches come out straight horizontally through the top. And it's adapted to the cold environment with its cone form, so it can hold a lot of snow. And as you can see, it drops pine cones for other animals to eat. Right here we have a spruce tree. Spruce trees are like hemlock trees, but they grow more pine cones to help all the other species with nutrient-rich pine cones. As you can see, they're also in a cone-shaped structure to help them hold a lot of snow. Okay, and this is a birch tree, which has the biggest pine cones. And they grow straight towards light. And so these trees sometimes grow the biggest, and they thrive in the acidic environment that is the taiga biome. And they are normally the first to grow in the damaged ecosystems because they are resilient. All right, back to the studio with Con.
Thank you, Todd. It was very interesting about the plant life out there. Those pine cones were huge.
I love me some pine cones. Now to Kevin with the wildlife report.
Oh, we're live? Okay. Here in the taiga, we have a wide variety of interesting animals. For example, two of the top predators include the fox, which is a reddish-brown creature with a long coat of hair and fine underfur. It is one of the top predators in taiga, which helps control the prey populations, and it has a large amount of fur to protect from cold weather. The black bear, on the other hand, consumes fishes and berries, helping to control the populations of smaller prey. The black bear is large, black, and has a short tail. It adapts to its environment, or it adapts to the biome by hibernating in order to avoid using excess energy in winter. Two of the primary consumers in the taiga biome are the squirrels, which are small brown creatures which consume seeds and acorns and also serve as a food source for larger predators. They adapt to the biome by hibernating when temperatures drop. Another one of the primary consumers are the snowshoe rabbits. Here we have over here our precious snowshoe rabbit. The snowshoe rabbit regulates the population of the underbush by consuming grasses, plants, and flowers. The snowshoe rabbit consists of small white creatures with long, pointed ears. They adapt to their environment by growing fur on the bottom of their feet to tread the snow easier. And finally, our most unique animal here in the taiga biome is the white-winged scooter, which is a type of bird found. This black bird has white eyes and white wings, and it adapts to environment by migrating to the south during the winter when the temperatures drop. Here we see one right there. Some of these birds feed by the day and others feed by the night, which is a special adaptation for the birds here in the Taiga biome. And now back to the studio with Philip and Con.
Thanks, Kevin.
And that concludes our segment of the Taiga biome.
Psych! Here's breaking news with Todd.
Breaking news, we have a story of humans cutting the tree. This is an example of deforestation and kills the environment. And this is very bad for the Taiga biome, especially for the plants and animals that live here. Oh no! It seems that one of the animals is fighting back. What will happen? More on this later during the 11 o'clock news. Back to the studio.
Wow, thanks, Todd.
And that concludes our segment on Taiga.
Stay tuned for 11 o'clock news for more news. Thanks for watching.